Basic Epidemiology, a beginner's guide for medical researchers. Welcome to my channel. If you're a medical or health researcher looking to dive into epidemiology, you're in the right place. Today, we'll break down the basics of epidemiology and how you can apply it to your research. Let's get started. So, what exactly is epidemiology? Simply put, epidemiology is the study of how diseases spread, who they affect, and how to control them. It's a critical field that helps us understand the patterns, causes, and effects of health and disease conditions in specific populations. But epidemiology is much more than just tracking diseases. It's about understanding risk factors, assessing the impact of public health interventions, and ultimately improving health outcomes. Prevalence and incidence. Prevalence asterisk refers to the total number of cases of a disease in a population at a given time, while incidence measures the number of new cases occurring during a specific time period. Example, if you want to study diabetes prevalence, you look at how many people in a population currently have diabetes. Incidence, on the other hand, would track new cases diagnosed within, say, a year. Risk factors. These are characteristics or conditions that increase the likelihood of developing a disease. Epidemiologists identify and assess risk factors to determine what might be causing an outbreak or health issue. Example, smoking is a known risk factor for lung cancer. Study designs in epidemiology. Epidemiologists use different study designs to investigate health issues. The most common include a cross-sectional studies, snapshot of a population at a single point in time. Cohort studies follow a group of people over time to see who develops a disease. Case control studies compare people with a disease cases to those without controls to find differences. Now, let's talk about how you can apply these concepts to your research. Epidemiology is a powerful tool that can help you design better studies, analyze your data more effectively, and draw stronger conclusions. 1. Define your research question. Start with a clear, specific question. For example, what factors increase the risk of heart disease in middle-aged adults? 2. Choose the right study design. Depending on your question, select the most appropriate epidemiological study design. For instance, a cohort study might be best for tracking long-term outcomes, while a cross-sectional study could be useful for a snapshot of current health status. 3. Collect and analyze data. Use epidemiological methods to collect data, then apply statistical techniques to identify trends, correlations, and potential causal relationships. 4. Interpret and communicate results. Finally, interpret your findings in the context of existing research and communicate your results to the broader medical community, policymakers, or the public. Epidemiological research can be challenging. Here are some common obstacles you might face and how to overcome them. Bias. Selection bias and asterisk recall bias can affect the validity of your study. Ensure you have a well-defined study population and use reliable data collection methods. Confounding variables. These are outside factors that can skew your results. Always adjust for potential confounders in your analysis. Data quality. Good research starts with good data. Make sure your data is accurate, complete, and relevant to your study question. That's a quick overview of basic epidemiology. Whether you're just starting your journey in medical research or looking to sharpen your skills, understanding epidemiology is crucial for making a real impact in public health. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share it with your colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and guides on medical and health research. Have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.